Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to see how we can run an online business with an automation tool, and which is absolutely free of cost without using any of our credit. So hope you're going to like this tool. It's an all-in-one tool and you can use it from anywhere. And subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos daily, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Sure to get daily updates related to digital marketing and other stuff. Okay, at first come over to this website system.io. I'll put the link in the video description. So this is the fastest way you can grow your online business, and why I chose this tool, because it's absolutely free and it doesn't require any type of CC. Now there is a 6 tool what you can use to run and your business here. It's a marketing automation tool what can help you to do everything in one place. You can do email marketing, building sales funnel, managing contacts, building blogs, websites, selling your products, and you can also make your courses and you can sell it. It's a totally awesome tool. You can use it for free. You can see here, if you choose to buy individual tools like making a sales funnel or doing email marketing or getting a hosting, these all may cost you up to $300, but here you can have the taste of these all features for absolutely free. For creating your account, just simply click on sign up, and here give your email, and it will give you a confirmation link, and from confirmation link you can just confirm it and able to reach at this site. From here you'll see all these options, and if you go for the plan, you can see in the free plan you will get a limited taste of all these features, but if you move to premium you will get unlimited. Now for making an email marketing campaign, you can just simply click on email, and from here you can type any of a name of work what you are going to run for a campaign. Now you can see here we just create a demo campaign here with the survey. Now you can make your duplicate campaign as well. And here you have to give your sender information, like from which mail you want to send all your subscribers newsletter. So from here I am just simply showing you a demo purpose like this. In sender name you can type any of your name, and in subject type your newsletter subject, and you can go with a blank editor, and you can also go with a visual text editor here. You can create it as like you want. Now when I click on create, it telling us that we can't use like Gmail or Hotmail or Yahoo like mails. We need a business mail, like, or you can go with a custom emails. So it's a very easy, you can just make it from a domain. Now after you add an email, I am using your email on deck for the just for the demo purpose. Now here in this blank field you have to make your email body. Now you can just drag and drop from another email template source code, or you can simply type here like an email you are sending someone else. So I am using here the old version, but you can switch to the new version just in one click and make it drag and drop funnel like this. Here's so much options for adding image and giving break and jump in break in the email template. Now when you want to make it with old editor, you can do all the things like copy images from other template and just paste it here, and you can see it works really well. Now you can edit it anytime if you want, and adding image here is also easy. Just put here the image URL, and you can see you can edit it with the normal properties of image, or the original or properties. Now it's very easy to edit any image here. Just as it a editor for email template, you can make any template with this email. Now here we can see we can link up our affiliate link here. like this. So suppose here when someone click on this email button and register, they will reach over to your destination. For in my case, I am using my YouTube address for sharing here and the newsletter. You can use here any type of your affiliate link to promote. Now after you make all of this, you can just save it. You can see at the right hand side here some other options like city, first name, last name in bracket. So if you have unlimited subscribers, I mean 1,000 or million of subscribers of your email list, you can just type here this codes and it will send send email individually to all one by one with their name or address or location. Now as you can see that we just saved and active our email campaign. Now it's going to send one by one to our email subscribers. Now let's see how we can add our email subscribers and contacts. So just click on contacts and here you can input contacts in two ways. First, just manually type your contact one by one, and secondly you can go with custom I mean you can import from any CSV file or any text file. There is a two option. You can see that import contacts. When you click on import contacts, here you can just submit your CSV file, all the contacts in CSV file, and it will arrange it with their AIs. So this easy task you can do. Now when you add contacts and make your email campaign, here you can make also affiliate course with this tool. Now if you go for automation, here it's an amazing tool. It's what going to provide you if someone click on any of your email or link where they are going to reach, you can make it like this. It's just working like rule, I mean automation tool. If someone click here, they will go to another place. You can make it like a workflow. Okay, now if you want to make a blog, you can also create with this, and if you want to make a sell page or a landing page, you can have it as well. It's a awesome way to make your sales funnels like click funnels or lead magnet, like what the tool, I just forgot that, Insta page. Okay, now it's an alternative and free. You can see here a lot of templates you can use. Just 3 bridge pages. One is just a water form, and second is thank you page, and last your affiliate link. You can see here URL path is just our website. It will be our website what we can promote, and we can edit all this template here. It's just work like a landing page. Okay, so in thank you page, you can, if there's a lot of templates you can use, or if you want, you can create your own from scratch. So from edit page, you can edit and put up all the information one by one. And that's all. Hope you understand what I mean to say, that you can do all the work for affiliate marketing with this tool. Just affiliate marketing features like email marketing and all other tasks. Okay, that's all. Hope you're gonna like this video, and make sure that you subscribe for more. Okay, have a great day. See you in the next video.